Growing up exploring Alaska's ever-changing landscape inspires a life to Sealife Center and focused on helping families take small steps now for their child's future education. To learn about the Alaska 529 Plan, its investment objectives, risks, and costs, carefully read the plan disclosure document available at alaska529plan.com. Alaska 529. Save in Alaska, study anywhere.
Everyone gather round, it's a time of day for virtual small fry school. We can hardly wait. Meet new ocean friends, connect with old pals too. Let's learn about the sea, there's so much to do. La la, small fry. La la, small fry. La la, small fry. La la, small fry. Learn and have fun, cool creatures to meet. It's virtual small fry school. Go ahead and grab a seat.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to Virtual Small Fry School here at the Alaska Sealife Center. My name is Rebecca, and I'm very excited that you're here with us today. We're going to be hosting these live every Tuesday at 11 a.m. Alaska time. Oh my goodness, everybody, welcome back. We had some technical difficulties, but I think we were able to fix them. So I'm not quite sure where you left off or we left off together, but let's go ahead and take a deep breath. Ready? Take it with me. Wow. So in case you missed it, today we're going to be talking about plants. And plants provide the oxygen that we need to breathe. So that breath we just took, plants helped us do that. But besides oxygen, we also need food to survive. So I want to show you a video of our friend, the wolf eel. And our friend, the wolf eel, lives here in this exhibit that is right. Wow, isn't she cool? Our wolf eel friend. So I want you to think, why do we need to eat? All living things need to eat. So you, me, animals, we need food. Why is that? And while you're thinking, I'm going to show you a video of our friend, the hermit crab. Our friend, the hermit crab, is eating a little piece of krill, which is like a tiny shrimp. And when it eats, it gets the energy to do other things, like crawl around. Oh, there it goes, a little bit. Hide in its shell, eat some more, maybe rest, and do other hermit crab things. So, why do we need to eat? Well, can you jump with me? So, I want all of us, on the count of 3, I'm going to count in Spanish, and when I say jump, you jump really high. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump! Everybody? Wow. So when I eat, I get the energy to do the things I love to do, like hiking. So I went on a hike really close to where I live here in Seward. I found 2 mushrooms, really yummy, but I didn't eat them. What are some of your favorite things to do? That's awesome, friends. So, plants also need food to do things, to grow. What body part do we use to eat? We use our mouths. That's right. But wait, do plants have a mouth? No, silly Rebecca, they don't have a mouth. So how do they get their food? How do they get their food? Well, I'm going to tell you. They make their own food. And so plants start off as seeds. I have some lupine seeds here with me. Plants need soil. There's nutrients in that soil. I put in a little extra just so that my seeds are a little happier. They also need water to stay hydrated. because you and I also read, and they need the sunlight to grow. This process is called photosynthesis. Can you say photosynthesis? It's a really big word, and it's okay if you can't say it, but I want us to try it together. Ready? Photosynthesis. Everybody. But what about our oceans? Well, just like the forests that we have on land, we also have forests in the ocean. And I want to show you algae. And it's like a plant because it also uses the sunlight to make its own food. Isn't that cool? And those blades of the kelp, they're like the leaves of a tree. And they're so that the kelp doesn't float away. See how long it is? So everybody, raise your hands super high and sway like the kelp with me. Woo. Awesome. You have a very special friend that I want you to meet. And this special friend is super busy, so into time, but they will visit us. They're just super busy, okay? So I want everyone to meet Tuffy. Tuffy, come on out. Whoa. Hi, Tuffy. How are you today? Good. Oh, what is this we have here? You were hungry? Oh my God, some fruits and vegetables. Some fruits and vegetables we have here today. So everybody, we're going to be practicing a very important skill that scientists use. And it's called sorting. Yeah, which means you put things into different groups, what they have in common or what is the same. So we have some fruits and vegetables here that Tuffy brought us. Thank you so much. And so let's put them together based on their fruits or vegetables. So gather your fruits and vegetables at home and make two groups. One is for fruits and one is for vegetables. Tuffy, do you think we're up for this challenge? Oh, perfect. This side is for vegetables and this is for the fruits. Ready? I'll let you start. Ooh, that's an apple. What color is the apple? Green, great job. So it goes on this side. My turn. I have a red pepper, yummy, on this side. Ooh, a peach, perfect. Great, let's see. I have another pepper. Where should it go? On this side, great job, Tuffy. What else? Oh, I see a fruit over there. This is a banana. Awesome. Go ahead, Tuffy. Ooh, what is that? It's an orange. Yeah. Awesome. Have another orange vegetable here. It's a carrot. Wow, yeah. I think we're almost done here. Oh, an onion. Yummy. Vegetable or fruit? Oh, Tuffy, you're doing so good. Yay. That was a yellow pepper. Yes, an apple is a fruit. Oh. Where should it go? This is some garlic. Fruit or vegetable? What do you think, Tuffy? You don't know? I think it's a vegetable. So I'm going to put it on this side. These are limes. Let's say that one, vegetable. And our last lime is also a vegetable. Great job, everybody. Good job, Tuffy. Yay. So we can also sort by color or by shape or by size too. Some of them are bigger than others. But today, this next part, we're gonna sort by colors. Okay, so everybody at home, make your different groups based on whatever fruits and vegetables you have, based on the colors. So what colors do you have at home? Okay, Tuffy. Green apple. Do you see anything else that is green here on our table? Yes, green pepper. Okay, I have our green limes here. Perfect. Wow, yep. Cucumber, yeah, yummy. I know you like cucumbers. Wow, Tuffy, you're doing so good. I'm gonna let you finish this part. Yeah, go ahead and finish up the different colors. Whoa. White, perfect. Yeah. Yellow, yeah, yellow lemons. Bananas, yellow bananas, yeah. Oh, another green pepper. Ooh, orange. Good job, Tuffy. Oh, you love it? I know you do. And carrots. What do you think? Looks a little brown to me. Maybe a little, yeah, it can be its own. Yeah, it can definitely be its own group. Okay, so let's count these groups together. Ready, everybody? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job. Let's do it in Spanish now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Muy bien. Awesome. So friends, at home, you can practice sorting more things. You can sort or put your clothes into different groups. Do you maybe have pants or sweaters or shirts or a vest like Tuffy? You can also sort your shoes. Yeah, Tuffy, do you have shoes? Oh, no, you don't have shoes, but I have shoes. To the grocery store and learn more about the fruits and vegetables that are there. Right, Tuffy? Yeah. So, Tuffy, I have another challenge for you. I want us to be our favorite fruit ever. So mine is a banana. I know you're a watermelon. What about you at home? What's your favorite fruit? And on the count of 3, we're gonna pretend to be our favorite fruit. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm a banana. Oh my goodness. Good job, everybody. Good job, Tuffy. So we are now going to take your questions, Tuffy and I. So questions, please feel free to send them our way. Friends here, Katie, do we have any questions?
We do. So Cindy says you're doing great.
Oh, thank you, Cindy.
And Genesis wants to know, why do the flowers need sun?
Yeah, Jenna wants to know. Genesis wants to know why the flowers need sun. Yeah, so the sun provides energy that keeps us nice and warm, right? But that energy, the plants are able to take that energy and turn it into food. That's why it's really important, yeah, and grow big and strong, just like Tuffy. That's why it's super important that if you do want to have your own plants, that you put them by the sunlight so that they can get that food for themselves. Great question.
So Naomi in Eagle River says she likes the theme song.
Naomi in Eagle River likes the theme song. I do too.
And another question is, what is your favorite vegetable?
Oh, question. What is your favorite vegetable? Well, I really like zucchini. What about you, Tuffy? Do we have it here? Ooh, Tuffy likes cucumbers. Great job. Another question?
Yeah. Naomi from Eagle River wants to know, do birds eat blueberries?
Oh, okay. Let me repeat the question. Naomi from Eagle River wants to know if birds eat blueberries. Let's ask our puffin here, Tuffy. Do you like blueberries? Yes, yeah. But sometimes, not all the time. So sometimes different birds can have a different diet depending on where they live. So not all birds eat blueberries, but Tuffy really likes the blueberries. Great question. And we'll take maybe one or two more. What animals live in the kelp forest? Tuffy. Ooh, fish. Yes, we can see lots of fish swimming here in our kelp exhibit. A sea urchin. Yes, sea urchins also live here in the kelp forest. Crabs. Everybody do the crab dance with us? Yeah. And one more, Tuffy. I can't think of it. Whoa. Tuffy lives also in the kelp forest. Tuffy, in case I didn't mention it, is a tufted puffin. And tufted puffins live here in our exhibit. Yeah, they live in the kelp forest. Good job, Tuffy. And last question. Oh, we're good on the questions. Okay, everybody. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining us. I also want to say thank you to Alaska 529 for sponsoring this episode. Stick around for story time. Today's story time is The Tiny Seed by Eric. We'll see you again next week when we'll talk about plankton. Bye.
The Tiny Seed by Eric Carle. It is autumn. A strong wind is blowing. It blows flower seeds high in the air and carries them far across the land. One of the seeds is tiny, smaller than any of the others. Will it be able to keep up with the others? And where are they all going? Where do you think they're going? One of the seeds flies higher than the others. Up, up it goes. It flies too high, and the sun's hot rays burn it up. But the tiny seed sails on with the others. Oh no, it got burned a little. Another seed lands on a tall and icy mountain. The ice never melts, and the seed cannot grow. The rest of the seeds fly on, but the tiny seed does not go as fast as the others. Here it is. Now they fly over the ocean. One seed falls into the water and drowns. The others sail on with the wind, but the tiny seed does not go as high as the others. No. One seed drifts down onto the desert. It is hot and dry, and the seed cannot grow. Now the tiny seed is flying very low, but the wind pushes it on with the others. There's the tiny seed. Do you know what this plant is? It's a cactus. Finally, the wind stops and the seeds fall gently down on the ground. A bird comes by and eats one seed. The tiny seed is not eaten. It is so small that the bird does not see it. Can you find the tiny seed? It's right here. Now it is winter. After their long trip, the seeds settle down. They look just as if they are going to sleep in the earth. Snow falls and covers them like a soft white blanket. A hungry mouse that also lives in the ground eats a seed for his lunch. But the tiny seed lies very still, and the mouse does not see it. Whoa. Now it is spring. After a few months, the snow has melted. It is really spring. Birds fly by. The sun shines, rain falls. The seeds grow so round and full they start to burst open a little. Now they are not seeds anymore. They are plants. First they send roots down into the earth. Then their little stems and leaves begin to grow up toward the sun and air. There is another plant that grows much faster than the new little plants. It is a big, fat weed, and it takes all the sunlight and the rain away from one of the small new plants, and that little plant dies. The tiny seed hasn't begun to grow yet. It will be too late. Hurry! But finally, it too starts to grow into a plant. The warm weather also brings the children out to play. They too have been waiting for the sun and springtime. One child doesn't see the plant as he runs along, and oh, he breaks one. Now it cannot grow anymore. We have to be gentle with the plants when we're playing. The tiny plant that grew from the tiny seed is growing fast, but its neighbor grows even faster. Before the tiny plant has 3 leaves, the other plant has 7. And look, a bud, and now even a flower. But what is happening? First there are footsteps, then a shadow looms over them, then a hand reaches down and breaks off the flower. A boy has picked the flower to give to a friend. It's very nice. It is summer. Now the tiny plant from the tiny seed is all alone. It grows on and on. It doesn't stop. The sun shines on it and the rain waters it. It has many leaves. It grows taller and taller. It is taller than the people. It is taller than the trees. It is taller than the houses. And now a flower grows on it. People come from far and near to look at this flower. It is the tallest flower they have ever seen. It is a giant flower. Whoa. Look at that. What colors are the petals? They're like a little red, orange, yellow. All summer long, the birds and bees and butterflies come visiting. They have never seen such a big and beautiful flower. Now it is autumn again. The days grow shorter, the nights grow cooler, and the wind carries yellow and red leaves past the flower. Some petals drop from the giant flower and they sail along with the bright leaves over the land and down to the ground. The wind blows harder. The flower has lost almost all of its petals. It sways and bends away from the wind, but the wind grows stronger and shakes the flower. Once more, the wind shakes the flower, and this time the flower's seed pod opens. Out come many tiny seeds that quickly sail far away on the wind.